Which among the following term defines the lack of relaxation between successive stimuli in the sustained muscle contraction? The correct answer is option C, tetanus. Tetanus refers to a condition where there is a sustained muscle contraction due to the lack of relaxation between successive stimuli. This occurs when a muscle is stimulated at a high frequency, preventing the muscle fibers from relaxing between stimuli, resulting in a smooth and sustained contraction. So, the answer is option C, tetanus. Whereas coming to the remaining options, it is spasm, fatigue, and tonus. Spasm is a sudden involuntary muscle contraction which is usually brief. Fatigue, it is a muscle weakness due to depletion of energy or buildup of waste products. And tonus is a continuous partial muscle contraction not related to repeated stimuli. So that means the correct answer is option C, not A, B, and D.